she dragging me.
I can assure you that what you just saw is not fake. This is real, dog. Body cam. Yo, this is Logic on steroids, man. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to it. You know what I'm saying? 6,000 people beat you to it. Gotcha. Gotcha, bitch. Yo, like this video for nothing. Share this video. You know what I'm saying? And also, you can show support to this channel. If you want to see us grow, hit the thanks button at the bottom of the video and show some love. Yo, we're gonna get into the video right now. Let's go.
Are you ready? Put your hands up!
Out of the car. Unlock this.
In this video, we're examining two short but telling police body cam encounters. One begins with a suspected stolen vehicle located during routine patrol. The other starts as a welfare check on a bridge and escalates within seconds. On August 8th, 2023, a deputy sheriff patrolling observed a vehicle matching the description of one recently reported stolen.
Let me see your hands! See your hands! Let me see your hands!
Put your hands up! Put them on the wheel!
Out of the car.
Okay.
Unlock this. Come on. Out.
Back is clear.
Where her clothes at?
Oh, I just saw you too.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Alright. What's happening over here? Down into 412, bro. What's your first name?
Butterfield.
I'm gonna move you to my car real quick, okay? Hey, Jackie.
Sure you do.
Just being detained right for now, okay? And then we're gonna explain everything to you in a second, okay? Actually, I'm sorry. Face the flag for me. My female partner is gonna search you, okay?
Anything on yours to know about? Anything that's gonna poke me or hurt me? Sorry? You got our ID yet?
Lucas is working on it. So there's nothing there because I just cleaned my vehicle. Should be nothing there, okay, when you come out.
Can I no names?
Just go all the way in. The deputy that took your name, he's gonna explain to you, okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the exact opposite of entitlement. It's called accountability consequences.
Her kryptonite is
you know what I'm talking about?
accountability.
So she's going through something that she hates.
Hey, how you doing? Alright, I have a few questions for you. Before I ask those questions, I need to read you your constitutional rights, okay? A yes or no? Okay. So this is the deal, okay? The car's stolen. So that's what we're trying to figure out. So, what's up with the car? How did you leave for it? I'm sorry, can you talk up? Sorry. You're using the car to pick someone up? Okay. Where did you get the car?
Holy f***. Now let's see which one of these dumbass answers this motherfucker decides to choose.
My friend, what was the friend's name?
We'll be back on Who Wants to Be a Prisoner right after the break.
They redacted all of that information.
Tasha? Does she go by anything? Okay, you got it from her friend Tasha. She's like, here's the car.
He done said it.
I'm sorry?
I was asking you about
Okay. So this is the deal, okay? Like I said, the car's stolen, so you're gonna go to jail for grand theft auto. You have a warrant as well for petty theft. So you're gonna be going to jail for those, okay? You'll have a bond and everything like that, so you can bond out today. Is your cell phone inside? Okay. Is that purse yours as well? What? Okay. Just hang out right. Yeah, I'm gonna turn up the AC for you, okay?
That concludes the first incident. The next case begins as a welfare concern, but quickly escalates into something far more volatile. On March 20th, 2025, deputies responded to the Garcon Point Bridge following multiple calls about a suspicious vehicle and a woman reportedly holding an open container of alcohol. When deputies attempted to make contact, the driver fled the scene, prompting a traffic stop a short distance away.
Hey, get out of the vehicle! Get out! Get out of the vehicle!
So far, they hitting us with a 2-for-1 deal.
And what if I do? Stop resisting.
She don't look like she was resisting. Let me back it up a little bit. She don't not look like she was resisting. Back it up a little more. Oh yeah, yes she is. And what did I see?
Stop resisting.
Girl, look how hard it is to put your arms together. Ain't tough.
Are you ready?
She did it. Hell no.
Are you ready?
She's trying to kick him too, I think.
You're about to get tased.
She don't give a damn. Look at her crack showing. Yeah, lock up for the crack she got. Slung her ass in there. She's gonna be kicking and biting. Oh man.
He's running her deal right now.
She got him good.
It smells like tons of wine in here. So did you notice the cork is out of the bottle?
Yeah, it's on body cam. Oak Leaf.
Stop. Can I jump over the edge?
Nope.
What?
Lydia's car right here. Uniform.
She trying to end it all. That's like a beautiful ass day over there. She going to jail on a beautiful ass day.
We're not doing this. Sit your butt down. Or you can go that way, that's fine.
She slush.
Unbuckle the seatbelt real quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3. If you hit your head against this one more time, you're gonna get hot. I didn't hit my head against it. You don't kick it either. Get your fucking foot in the. Don't fucking kick.
they pull her for the back. She trying to headbutt him. Having trouble closing the other side. Now they gotta pull her foot back. They're gonna fold her up like a contortionist. Cirque du Soleil her ass. However you pronounce that damn circus. Gotcha.
Gotcha, bitch. She was charged with grand theft auto. She was charged with DUI, refusal to submit to testing, resisting an officer with violence, and battery on specified personnel. All individuals shown are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for informational purposes only.
All right, so, yo, we know what not to do again. Let's stay away from trouble. This will happen when you drink and you drive. You don't know what's gonna happen. You might just have drunk too much, and you might act a fool to the wrong damn people. Police at that. All right, be careful, y'all. Drive safe. Do not drink and drive. And check this out, you guys.
We appreciate the likes and shares on our Crazy Clock shorts.
Are you ready?
Now you can show support for the Logic on Steroids channel. Just click on our video, then search for the thanks button icon located right along the like and share buttons beneath the video. Hit thanks and support us with whatever you feel can help us elevate to a new level. We appreciate your support and thanks.
Love y'all. Peace.